The LIFE Biogasnet is a project funded by the European Union, the LIFE program of the European Union, and coordinated by the Polytechnic University of Catalonia. Within this project, we are developing an innovative system to improve the quality of biogas produced in wastewater treatment plants and waste treatment plants and similar facilities. The system developed is based on the application of biological efficient and low-cost technologies with the objective to increase the quality of biogas for its use as an alternative energy source.
The National Technical University of Athens participates in the LIFE Biogasnet project, being responsible for the installation and operation of the prototype in the municipal solid waste management plants of Ano Liosa in Attica region. The project's prototype is composed of two separate units installed in two different settings. The first one is installed in the solid waste mechanical recycling and composting plant and is fed by the emissions from the composting unit that are rich in ammonium nitrogen. The prototype consists of a scrubber and a nitrification bioreactor. In the scrubber, we perform the absorption of ammonium from the composting emissions in the aqueous phase. Then the effluent of the scrubber is led to the nitrification bioreactor for the biological conversion of ammonia to nitrate ions under aerobic conditions. The second unit is connected to the pipelines of the biogas collected from the landfill. Here, the prototype includes an anoxic biotrickling filter that is fed with the biogas produced from the landfill and the solution-rich nitrate ions from the first unit. The hydrogen sulfide of the biogas is bioconverted to sulfate ions. This sulfate effluent is mixed with the ammonium solution of the first unit to produce ammonium sulfate, a value-added product, and I could say a fertilizer.
The overall operation of the prototype in these two scenarios implies to purify the composting emissions from ammonia, purify the biogas from hydrogen sulfide, and to produce ammonia sulfate, a secondary resource that can be used in agriculture. It is expected that the operation of the Biogasnet prototype will be maintained beyond the project ends in the site of the Attica region in Athens, to become a demonstration site of the benefits of the technology.
Contribution of the LIFE programme of the European Union.